What it do, YouTube? Why my mic? Okay, there you go. What it do, YouTube? We back with another ES 350 F Sport vlog. Today was a cool little day. Outside of some other stuff got on my nerves. It was cool. It was cool. I got stuff done, productive. Sometimes you gotta look on the bright side. And like, let stuff be what it is, man. You can't control everything, but the things you can control, do something about it. So, appreciate everybody that been, checking into the videos, the vlogs, the car rides. Hey, man, I appreciate y'all, man. That's a little Saturday night, Sunday morning little ride, a little bit after 1 a.m. I don't know if people getting on my nerves that got me a headache today, or it's from me being outside for about 5 hours that got me a headache. It's one or the other. It's one or the other. But at this, I'm definitely edit this one, but I gotta finish one video and then I gotta start on 3 more. And then I plan on live stream tomorrow, but I've been planning on live stream past 2 days, and yeah, I just had a headache today. That's the main reason why I didn't do it. I was about to, even with the headache, but I decided to just record some videos. I did that this morning and I did this evening, just record. And a little secret, record, if you do YouTube and you having a hard time with making time to make content, when you have time, recording bulk. Like, that will save you a lot of time. Put it like this, in less than an hour, or about an hour, I recorded 3 videos. And that can be about, depending on what I'll take out, that'd be anywhere from like 14 to 20 minutes a piece. Then I've been doing, it's a little series as a start of. It's called Off the Clock, whatever, 2K videos. It's basically when I'm not planning on making the video, I'm just playing the game. And I make some content somehow. So I got that. So that was a whole nother video I recorded. Before I started recording the videos and right after I got done recording. Cause I just went to the theater to try out it's been a while in the theater since I played with my 6'4" guard. I've been doing my 7'4". But I went into the theater this evening. I won 4 straight. So I won 2 before doing my videos, left out, won 2 more before, hitting the scene outside for a little minute. Popped out for about a good 30 and then left. But yeah, my advice is recording both. I recorded for a total of, if you count the off the clock stuff, and that's when recorded, it was, hey, save the last 15 minutes that I played. So I just go back and hit that little recently recorded or whatever it's called. When you hit the share button, maybe like the last 15, 30. Yeah, hit that last 15. Then I hit the last 5. Hit the last 5. And yeah. I want to say the total for those was 25 minutes. Really, yeah, a little less than 25. Come on, police, get out the way now. Yeah, think about it. If you can record for 2 hours and get 7 videos, that's 7 videos. That's a video a day. So you really can go a whole week if you want to just upload one a day. Me, I've been trying to get 3 to 4 a day. I know today I ain't get that. I think I got 2 today. God dang, they about to. What y'all turn y'all lights on? They ain't jaywalk. Boy, ready to pull somebody over. Man, y'all jaywalking, ain't you? No, man, it's a red light. They got the right of way. Chill out. Oh, yeah, man. I'm going to go past TSU because homecoming's right around the corner. It's about a month away. About a month away. I think it's the 18th. And it's kind of crazy. So last year, TSU played Howard in D.C. on Howard's homecoming. And they called it TSU Takeover. This year, Howard's coming down here to play TSU on their homecoming. Yeah, what is this over here? That club ain't open, is it? Oh, they back open. Shout out to Legend. My homie is one of the owners. But I ain't gonna lie. I thought they was shut down for good. But I guess they must wasn't really doing much for the summer. Or I just ain't really drove down here to even see if they was open. I think Legends was the Lynx before Lynx. Riding by the college, yeah, TSU. What was your purpose of doing that? Oh, you going to the gas station? I must just say you had to wait at the red light. I wonder if them indoor tennis courts in there. They never knew. Man, I ain't gonna lie. Back in the day, if I knew what vlogging was back in the day when I was in college, it would have been a time here. Like it was freshman week, I think. But freshman week is everybody outside. And we was outside, I think it was like 11, maybe midnight. And somebody said, "Hey everybody, let's go to Gentry and Hoop. I know the code to the goals to lift them up." They were like, "Dang, do anybody got a ball?" I said, "I got a ball. We hit up." I went to my car and got the ball. Somebody left the rims. We ended up playing 5-on-5. Hey man, my team won like 2 games. We on the 3rd game. Police come in. They took my ball. They were like, "Hey, who ball is this?" I was like, "Man, that ball too expensive. Yeah, I need that. That's me. That's me, officer. All right, here you go. Hey, y'all got about 5 minutes." Well, I say we're about 300 deep in there. Oh, at 11, 12 o'clock in the Gentry hooping. I'm showing out for the 304s. Man, hey, throwing oops, come here, in your face. 3 ball, give me 3. Lay, cross them, break them. Give me that cookies. Oh my goodness. I ain't gonna lie. I'd be like more than them. But I would actually go to the school, so I've been, you feel me? African Street Festival. Fun fact, I never been to African Street Festival. I just associated from the area it's in, not to be the best place to be at. Not saying I ever heard anything really happen at African Street Festival, But you know, this is the same place where it's next door to where everything happens. Not only that, homecoming, everything happened right there at homecoming. What was it, last year? I talked about it in the homecoming vlog, I believe. I heard shots. The first time I didn't hear the shots. I'm not gonna lie, I went to my car to get my camera. I didn't hear shots. But when I came back around the corner, I seen the gates knocked over, everything. I talked to my mom, said they got the shooting. So we chilling. We was waiting on, I don't know, we was about to head back out. Cause the Tears Your Homecoming in the parking lot at the stadium, they got like, last year I knew about 2 tents I seen. They was had a live DJ. It's like a club environment. Normally it'd be like 3 or 4, and then it's one under the bridge that make 5. Last year I only seen 2 because I went to the game. I actually stayed for the whole game because it was a good game. Left out, went to get the camera, got my gun, allegedly. I got security. I went to the car and got security. That's what we gonna say. I went to the car and got security and my camera. Nation, I heard 5. Once I heard 2 5. I know I heard at least 1. Boy, they came on the news next day. It was not a shooting there. I think first, cause it was an actual shooting after the parade on Jefferson. And it wasn't part of the parade. It was like the aftermath, because after the parade, it's a lot of booths still up and all that where you can go purchase stuff. So people just hanging around. And some people, I guess, was beefing, shot in a crowd full of people. I think like 9 people got hit. You feel me? That's why I don't really go to the parade or stuff like that. I go to, like, you feel me? I go to the stadium for their activities. But you know, that's only so much can be protected because police is right there. They the one doing the roads and stuff right there. So, like, it is what it is. But yeah, I just choose not to go places where there's a chance to put my life in danger. That's why I don't go to any club on Murfreesboro Road, really. Unless it's like a special event. Like, I went for my family reunion. We went to a place. And it's like, oh, it's love. It's about 20 of us coming in here. But, you feel me? Just for a regular night, nah, I'm good. And they charge too much. They charge about 40. I'm like, man, ain't that. Yeah, man, I'm overpaying for clubs and stuff, to be honest. And I'm over it. Give me the free stuff, man. And the crazy part about it, they charge the dudes, but the girls get in free. Or they get in lower prices, man. Y'all got it, man. Y'all got it. Man, it looks so much cleaner at night. Man, but hey, y'all, man, I appreciate y'all joining me for this little vlog for the night. But I'm going to catch y'all with y'all next time. Godspeed.